Hello Simon.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Back with Spartan Campers.
We are
and
indeed.
You've got something new to show us.
We do, yeah. We've got our combi sleeper today with us.
So a new concept. It's not quite a full camper van.
No.
But something a lot more versatile.
Yeah, designed for people who want to actually get out there, get out camping as well, but still need to use the van as a daily sort of vehicle. So you can get your bikes in the back of it, you can get your kayaks in if you need to. Builders and that can still use it as a usable work vehicle, but you can still go away camping at the weekend.
Okay, and based on a T6 or
yeah,
T6.1?
T6.1, yeah, but both long and short wheelbase.
Okay, let's go and have a look.
Yeah. So we've got your bed and rails on this one, your pop tops, you're still
sliding seat system.
Sliding seat system, yep.
And I believe you've got a choice of widths.
You do, yeah. So you've got your 2-seater or your 3-seater full width, and then you've got your pod system as well for your kitchens and your sink, things like that.
Okay, so what's in the kitchen pod exactly?
So on this one, you've got a sink unit in the top there.
Yep.
You've got your pop-out table on the side, and then you've got your burner unit on the side of that as well.
So sink in here.
Yep.
And that's got its water supply
it has indeed.
In the unit. I think we can see that.
That's it, just inside
just
there.
in there, so water supply in there. And this...
That transforms into your table.
Right, just clips on here.
It does indeed.
So these seats will swivel around?
They will, yes. You've got a full two-seater swivel on the front there, slide and swivel. It's fixed front seat there as well. We can put a captain chair if we needed to.
Right.
So you've got lots of options with it.
And then cooking?
Yes, you've got a little stove there.
And that just...
That flips up.
Flips up, and there's a support for that.
There will be a support in there as well, yeah.
And for electrics?
Yeah, so we have a full electric system in this one as well. So you'll be able to use the inverter on it as well, so you can use your 3-point plug. You'll also have your full van electrics inside and lighting.
Okay, so you've got lighting around
Lighting all
the
around,
vehicle.
yeah.
And the blinds as well.
Fan shades all around as well.
Okay, and you can make a bed here.
You can indeed.
And in the roof.
That's it, yes. So sleeps 4, plenty of room for everyone. So it gives you a nice big usable space then. If you're into mountain biking or you've got a family full of kids that you need to sort of take everything away with you, loads of space. So then you can bring your seats all the way back there and store in the middle if you need to as well. It's just a real usable space for everyone to use then.
Yeah, and if you're using it as a work vehicle
during
the week.
Yeah. Tools in here all week long, just keep a bit of cloth down the top to protect your floor. Away you go at the weekend, you've got yourself a camper again.
Yeah, very versatile.
Perfect for it.
And what sort of pricing?
It all depends on your base van, starting from $39,995, fully converted, ready to go, drive away today.
And as with your other vans, you'll have a choice of
so you've
furniture and upholsteries?
Yeah, upholstery, you can have pretty much any colour you can imagine. We've got a rail card, you can go through and choose the exterior colours and anything you're after as well. And then you've got obviously your carpet lining as well. Okay. So yeah, plenty of choices to go for. We'll find something for everybody. And
people will be able to see your full range of campers, including this new design.
Yeah, so we're here at the show all weekend. We'll be at Newark next as well. Okay. So we'll have all the vans with us and all our new products coming through as well.
Excellent.